This is a quick demo of ARIA, AR-based intelligent assistant. This is a next generation field support solution where we provide 3 levels of engagement. In the first level, we leverage conversational UI or a chatbot to interact with the user. The second level is all about augmented reality, which we call it as do it yourself mode. And in the third level, we have the remote expert assisting the end user. So let's see a quick demo of this. Log me into service application.
Hello, please enter your PIN. Hey John, how may I help you?
Please provide me some help on my router.
What type of issue you are currently facing?
So I'm looking for troubleshooting guide. So let me press troubleshooting.
Tell me what make are you using?
I am using DPQ2160. So let me select.
See the detailed link to troubleshooting guide below. What can I do for you?
So here I can see the troubleshooting guide. I can go through it. I can see some images also, and I can play the video.
Hey guys, you're probably watching this video today based on the title. You're not getting internet through your wireless router. We're going to give you a good solution to
How many devices I can connect to router?
Most of the wireless routers and access points can support about 250 devices connected at once. What can I do for you?
So it can also answer some of the questions that you may have, which it picks up from the FAQ database. Help me configure my router.
Tell me what make of router are you using?
So I'm again selecting DPQ2160.
See below detailed instruction on how to configure your router modem. Do you need DIY assistance?
So I can see different instructions which are here, which I can read and follow. There are images, and if I want to follow the video is also there.
Installing your new Cisco Wi-Fi modem. Step 1. Make sure that your computer and any devices connected to your modem are switched off and unplugged. Step.
So it also prompts me to get it into DIY mode, which is do it yourself mode.
Focus your camera to your router and say OK to proceed further.
Okay.
Connect your PC to either Ethernet port using data cable.
So this is DIY mode. So all the reference images have been loaded, and now we will see how the user can use the individual instructions. Now I'm pointing my camera to the rear of router, and you will see the image gets augmented with the first instruction. Next.
Connect RF coaxial cable to cable connector.
Next.
Insert AC power cord into power connector.
Next.
Modem will be ready for use when online LED on front panel stops blinking and illuminated continuously.
So it refers to the front panel. So let me flip my router and show the front panel to the camera. I can replay it again. Play again.
Modem will be ready for use when online LED on front panel stops blinking and illuminated continuously.
Next.
Modem is ready. USNDS indicates upstream and downstream flow of data. Use remote assist for any further help.
Now we will see the remote assist mode. So I'm logging into remote expert. So let me select Steve as my remote expert advisor. Now I will call Steve.
I got a call. Let me accept it.
Hey Steve, good morning.
Good morning, John.
So yeah, I was able to set up a router. I just need your small help. I don't know what this link LED means. Can you help me, Steve?
Okay, link LED basically it means your connection between the PC and the router is okay. If it is blink, that means there is a data transfer.
Okay, I got it. Thanks, Steve.